Alright, let's unbox this next machine. Again, just grabbed it out of the junk heap. And what do we have here? A flatbed Singer Stylist 814, huh? Well, let's see now. It's backwards in the case. The case has got missing broken hinge pins and loose bobbin. So let's see. Grab the screwdriver here, take a quick peek in the top. This cord has been electrical taped, so at minimum it'll need cord work, but I have a feeling that it's got more issues than that if it was traded as a no repair. I'm looking at the belt on the top here. Doesn't actually feel bad. Usually if the gears are bad, they're all crunchy inside. Maybe this machine was just traded. For a new one. Oh, there we go. Huh. The gears look okay in this machine. No major... They definitely need cleaning. Take a closer look at that other drive gear, but the hook gears look okay. And the cam gear seems to be okay. Alright, well, I guess we'll have to take a closer look at this one. Oh. Guess I'll have to take a closer look at this. I thought because it was a Stylist it probably had some major issues. Stylist 814 out of the mystery box. Underneath here, since we're inspecting it more thoroughly, there's electrical tape wrapped around this junction box, but the original gears still have all the original grease in them, and so that needs to get cleared out. I think if I... There we go. And then let's check. I'm rotating this slowly to check the feed dogs. They're set at maximum length and they come all the way up at the front here when the needle bar is going up, and they drop down as the needle bar drops. So that's good. And it occurs to me I should plug this in and find out if it works. Because if the motor's burnt out, no reason in working any further on it. Plug the bench power in. All right, the light turns on. Oh, it makes a horrible racket. What do we think that racket might be? Well, the clutch in the hand wheel doesn't work. So we'll have to pull that apart and oil it. But it does run. I don't know what that noise is. There's a plastic stack cam under the stack. Maybe that's... It's still... Let's find out what that noise was. Seems to be... Okay. Well, get some oil on that clutch and maybe the oil did a little bit for it. All right, well, I think we'll check the timing on it and see about putting it back together and what happens. I always check every needle I grab out of my needle box because sometimes I throw whatever in there and I get a I accidentally tossed a bent needle in the box, so we'll try this one. Oh, that is striking the back of the hook. Well, I think I remember how to do this, so let's see about fixing that. Okay. We can see the needle touching the backside of the hook. I also spy a snapped needle in the bottom of the machine under the hook. I think I know how to take care of this, so let's give adjusting that scarf a whack. Alright, last time the way that I solved this problem was to loosen this set screw and then rotate this nut, because that nut is a cam for the needle scarf distance. And so let's see if I can. There we go. And then is that. Okay, let's moved it a teeny bit. Let me see how much adjustment I can get out of that. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to keep turning that to see what I can get for adjustment out of it.